Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today, I'll show you how to install fonts on your Windows 10 PC in just a few simple steps. Whether you're a designer, content creator, or just want to make your documents and projects look more stylish, custom fonts can really help. Let's jump right in. Step 1. Downloading a font. First, you need to download the font you want. There are plenty of websites where you can find free fonts, like Google Fonts, DaFont, and FontSquirrel. For this example, let's go to dafont.com. Simply search for a font, click the download button, and the file will be saved to your computer. The font will usually be in a .zip format, so we need to extract it first. Step 2. Extracting the font files. If your font is zipped, right-click the file and choose Extract All. Then, select where you want to save it and click Extract. Once extracted, you'll see one or more font files inside, usually .ttf, TrueType font, or .otf, OpenType font. These are the actual fonts that we'll install. Step 3. Installing the font. Now for the fun part, installing the font. There are two easy ways to do this. Method 1. The double-click method. Just double-click the font file, and you'll see a preview. Click Install at the top. That's it. Small blue diamond method 2. Drag and drop method. Alternatively, you can manually install the font by dragging the .ttf or .otf file into the fonts folder. Open File Explorer, go to C:\Windows\fonts, and simply drop the font file in. Either method works, so choose the one that's easiest for you. Step 4. Verifying and using the font. Now, let's make sure the font is installed. Open a program like Microsoft Word, Photoshop, or Notepad, type something, and select your new font from the font list. If it appears there, you're good to go. And that's it. Installing fonts on Windows 10 is super easy. If this tutorial helped, hit the like button, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment if you have any questions. See you in the next video.